Long press screen top to access adjustment. Slide ring controller at screen bottom. Each volume digit adjusts independently. Tap top or press trigger to save. Adjust vol range by short or long press on device top's plus or minus buttons. Long press small dot on device right. Say desired parameters.
Set volume to 85.
Enter dispensing mode. Set input method, step vol or total vol. Times and speed. 1 aspiration enables continuous equal dispensing. Great for high throughput tests. Now, let's do a demo. Reagent dispensing into 8 channel tubes.
Set the separation volume to 10 and dispense 8 times.
Single press. Aspiration. Press again. Pre-dispense. Continue pressing. Dispense in steps. To ensure dispensing accuracy, it is recommended to dispense with the tip against the sidewall. Final press. Empty the tip. If air dispensing, liquid hangs at tip end. Touch tip to wall to help dispense. Count hanging drops in current dispense for accuracy.